Effect by Robertson is an illuminating journey into the complex interplay between success, neurobiology, and behavior. In this enthralling exploration, Robertson masterfully dissects the phenomenon of the winner effect, a captivating cascade of neurochemical changes that follow triumphs, influencing subsequent behavior and elevating the chances of future success. The neurochemistry of winning. The narrative commences with a deep dive into the neurochemical intricacies of winning. Robertson intricately unravels the hormonal dynamics, with a primary focus on the role of testosterone. As individuals bask in the glow of victories, testosterone levels surge, instigating a profound impact on behavior. Confidence, risk-taking tendencies, and heightened competitiveness are among the behavioral shifts explored. Importantly, Robertson extends this exploration beyond the human realm, emphasizing the evolutionary importance of the winner effect observed across diverse species. Applications across diverse domains. The scope of the winner effect is far-reaching, extending its influence across a spectrum of domains including sports, business, politics, and personal relationships. Robertson artfully navigates through case studies and real-world examples, illustrating how individuals touched by success exhibit heightened assertiveness, increased risk tolerance, and an elevated probability of achieving subsequent victories. The book paints a vivid picture of the winner effect as a pervasive force shaping diverse aspects of life. Power, brain changes, and ethical pitfalls. The book dedicates a substantial section to dissecting the winner effect's impact on the brain, especially concerning power. Robertson delves into how neurobiological changes associated with success can lead to structural alterations in the brain, affecting decision-making and social behavior. While power has the potential for positive transformation, the book candidly explores the ethical considerations and pitfalls that accompany unchecked success. It raises poignant questions about the responsible use of power and the ethical dimensions of navigating the winner effect. The winner effect loop and its self-reinforcing nature. Central to the book is the introduction of the winner effect loop. This concept underscores the self-reinforcing cycle of success, where triumphs initiate a chain reaction of positive feedback. Individuals who have experienced success are more prone to engaging in risk-taking behavior, setting ambitious goals, and perpetuating a cycle of victories. The narrative delves into the psychological mechanisms underpinning this self-reinforcing nature, shedding light on its implications for sustained success. Stress, resilience, and overcoming setbacks. The relationship between the winner effect and stress is meticulously explored, highlighting the delicate equilibrium between stress and success. While cortisol, a stress hormone, can counterbalance the positive effects of testosterone, moderate stress is portrayed as a catalyst for enhanced performance and focus. Robertson takes readers on a journey through the neurological foundations of resilience, emphasizing the brain's capacity for reorganization, neuroplasticity, as a critical factor in bouncing back from failures and challenges, leadership dynamics and decision-making. In the context of leadership, the winner effect provides an insightful exploration of how the phenomenon influences decision-making and strategic thinking. Robertson shares nuanced perspectives on the importance of leaders striking a balance between confidence and humility. The narrative underscores the imperative for leaders to be cognizant of the potential perils of overconfidence and arrogance, which can undermine success and effectiveness in leadership roles. Societal implications and ethical considerations. The latter segments of the book delve into the broader societal implications of the winner effect, touching on issues such as inequality, social justice, and resource distribution. Robertson critically examines how power dynamics, intertwined with the winner effect, contribute to societal disparities. The narrative underscores the pivotal role of ethical leadership and social responsibility in addressing these challenges. Readers are prompted to contemplate the broader societal impact of individual and collective successes and the responsibilities that come with wielding power. In conclusion, the winner effect concludes with a reflective exploration of the ethical considerations surrounding the phenomenon and its profound implications for individuals and society at large. Robertson emphasizes the crucial elements of self-awareness, responsible leadership, and a balanced approach to success that takes into account the well-being of individuals and communities. The book stands as a comprehensive and accessible journey through the intricate interplay between success, neurobiology, and human behavior, inviting readers to reflect on the far-reaching effects of the winner effect in both personal and societal contexts.